Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I'm gonna go for something like this. I saw this look on Instagram and I don't know the actual artist who created this look, but it is a Douyin makeup is really popular right now and I have to hop on the train and try a look myself. So let's get started. To be honest with you, I did try to do a Douyin look off camera and every single time I did it, I failed. I just can't get it right. Like, I've studied the look and I've watched so many videos on it, but I can't do it. I just look so weird when I try to copy their look. And I think that's why it's taking me a while to do Douyin makeup, because I guess I'm scared that like I'm gonna do the look and it doesn't turn out the way it should be. And I don't want to call it Douyin when it's not. So let's hope that today is the day where I will master a Douyin look. Well, not master, but achieve a Douyin look. Because it will be embarrassing if I title this Douyin makeup and it's not even Douyin makeup, you know? Alright, let's zoom in. I think this would be a very quick look to do because there's only like 2-3 colors. The one thing I am going to change is the glitter. I don't have white glitter, so I'm going to be using blue glitter. I'm first going to take this pink shade right here and very lightly I'm going to apply it right here. I'm also going to apply it below my lashes. Now I'm going to take the blue. Hopefully it will come out as pigmented as the picture. Because I used this color yesterday and it wasn't that pigmented, but we'll see. Today is a new day, so hopefully it'll work. Look at that. Pretty pigmented. You know what this means, right? It means that today is going to be a good day. I realized my blue is really blue compared to the picture. Now I'm going to take this blue glitter and I'm gonna apply it between the blue and the pink. So apply the glitter as thin as possible. Now I'm going to line my eyes. Instead of lining my eyes with like a black eyeshadow, I'm gonna use a really dark purple eyeshadow to line my eyes. So I'm just gonna take this dark purple shadow. Does that look nice? I don't know anymore. Never mind, I'm just gonna use a black eyeshadow to line my eyes. I thought the purple would look nice, but in the picture it looks like she has like gray navy. I don't have that color, so I'm just gonna use a black. So I lined my eyes. I also put a little bit on my lash line, and then on my waterline I applied a nude gel liner. I also added more of the light pink down here. I am now going to create the eye bag, the eye fat. I'm going to take this taupe color. I'm just going to squint and just shade in my natural eye bag. So I put on these individual lashes. I got them long time ago. I tried using them a couple times, but I failed miserably. Today's the day I finally kind of understand how these work. They look pretty good from afar. From afar, they look pretty good. I'm gonna see if I could do it on this side now. For some reason, I put more on this side, but this side looks a lot fuller than this side. But here is how it looks. I think I did a pretty good job considering this is like my 5th attempt of doing it, and I failed every single time and I wanted to give up, but you know, you just gotta persevere and keep going because one day it's gonna happen. Let's finish the rest of my makeup. Let me throw on some contacts, let down my hair, and then I'll show you the final look. Alright, so this is my final look. I'm just not used to this type of makeup. I don't know how to react, or I don't know what to do with my face. But what do you guys think? Did I do it? Did I not do it? I do have a lot of Douyin makeup looks that I do want to try. So, you know, if this one fails, maybe the next one that I do will be a lot better. I'm actually really proud of my lashes because it took me so long to get used to the individual lashes, but I had so much fun creating this look. Thank you so much for joining me in this get ready with me. Like this video and comment what you're doing this weekend. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.